on this 2010 to 2016 Honda CR-V with the 2. For gas engine, P0716 is a range/performance code for the input or turbine speed sensor a signal. In plain language, the PCM may not be seeing the turbine speed information it expects. The vehicle may have CVT-related drivability symptoms, or it may only set a warning with stored code information. For this diagnostic path, treat P0716 as an electrical circuit problem, not a mechanical transmission failure. The possible areas to keep in mind are the turbine speed sensor signal path, connector and terminal condition, PCM software, and the PCM itself. Start with the basic system checks, then move into the code-specific test. First, verify whether the fault is active. Turn the vehicle to the on mode and clear the DTC with the HDS. Raise the vehicle on a lift, make sure it is securely supported, and make sure the front wheels can rotate freely. Start the engine, then disable VSA with the VSA OFF button. Run the vehicle at speeds over 19 mph, 30 km/h, for at least 30 seconds, then slow down and stop the wheels. After that, check for pending or confirmed DTCs with the HDS and see whether P0716 is indicated. If P0716 is not indicated during that verification, treat it as an intermittent failure. The system is okay at this time. Check for poor connections or loose terminals between the torque converter turbine speed sensor and the PCM. If captured data for this DTC is recorded, try to reproduce the failure under those same captured conditions rather than guessing. If P0716 is indicated, the failure is duplicated. Move to the turbine speed sensor comparison. With the shift lever in D, rotate the front wheels while watching the HDS data list. Monitor torque converter turbine speed RPM and input shaft, or drive pulley, speed RPM. Compare those two values and decide whether the speeds are about the same. If the torque converter turbine speed and input shaft speed are about the same, the torque converter turbine speed sensor is considered okay. At that point, update the PCM if it does not have the latest software, or substitute a known good PCM, then recheck. If P0716 goes away after the PCM update, troubleshooting is complete. If P0716 goes away with the known good PCM substituted, replace the original PCM. If the two speeds are not about the same, replace the torque converter turbine speed sensor. The key on P0716 is to separate an intermittent connection problem from an active speed signal problem. Verify the code first, compare the turbine speed signal against input shaft speed, and only then follow the sensor or PCM side of the path. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.